Hi, Chloe. I wanted to get a message out to you, so I thought this might be the best way, because I don't actually look like me. I'm a cat, and I go, woof. No, 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 no. Meow. Anyway, do you remember when you did that big... Well, I've got someone here that can do it the same as you, and I think you should take him on a ride with you because he'll make it go faster and faster and faster. Come over here, doggy woggy woggy. It stinks. Hee 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 hee. So, I love you. Bye.